Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Charles Schwab bank account with the Robinhood app. First, click on the profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on the three lines in the upper left hand corner. Next, click on transfers. Then from here, click on add account. Next, click on bank account. And then it's going to take a couple seconds for Plaid to actually load. But what Plaid is that it keeps your data and your account safe. Click on Continue, then click on Continue as Guest, then click on Charles Schwab. At this point, it's going to prompt you to log into your Charles Schwab account so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to the Robinhood app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.